How to show trends on HMI? It's so easy. Just make a new screen, for example, trends, and let's delete it. Okay. Here from control, you can use trend. It's so easy. Just bring it, put it here. Most of options, they are about designing. So if I right click and go to properties, okay, here you can name your trend. For example, the first one is mud, for example. You can choose your style. Oh my God, why it's like this? It's okay, you can choose your style. It's about showing, being a stepped point or bar or something like that. The trend value, how many value, and one of the important thing is trend type. We have 4 trend types. Let me show you. First and second one, they are about trigger. You can use a trigger to show something on trend. The third one is real-time, cyclic real-time. And the last one is data logger. Data logger is a kind of feature that you can enable it on your HMI. And for example, you have a USB drive and connect it to your HMI, and HMI start to build a text file or an Excel file that is about your tag. All of the value that your tag is receiving, for example, by cyclic time. If you put it on data logger, you have to choose your source that obviously it must be from your data log. So one of the option that most of the times I use is cyclic real-time, and here you choose the period of time. For example, every 3 seconds, please go and read this tag. That's it. And let me show you the side. It comes from left or right. It's not big deal. And limit, you can assign some limit for high limit, low limit, and you can see them by color. Others option, most of them are about designing color, sizes. For example, toolbar, this is toolbar, you can hide it or enable it. Bottom border, it's not important. Table, you can use your table or not. I think it should be there because we can see our tags there, the value, the real value, and the last time that the HMI read that specific tag. And time access, this is important. The range, the maximum range you can use here, I think is about 3000 seconds. So from the 0 and the last is just 3000 intervals. Okay, and you can say what kind of access mode do you have. For example, point 0 to 100, or it could be a tag that comes from your PLC, or time. That's it. For example, I don't need the right volume access, and that's it. So let's test it. For example, I have pit 1. Let's go on runtime. Okay, here, for example, this is 25. Let's go to trend. I put a password in it. Okay, does that mean? Yeah, you have pit 1, 25, for example, 45. Okay, there's a problem. That's here, you know, so small. Okay, you can see it now. For example, 75, 62, 10, 55, and now if I zoom it, you can see the changes. Have a good time and take care.